It's a big wide world out there, and now that we're out on our own, life's less predictable hike, more of a surprise storm with a flat phone and no signal. So, have you got a minute? Because I came wildly overprepared for this hike. And weirdly, it's the perfect setup to talk emergency funds for a Moneysmart Minute. Do I actually hike? No, not really. Hello? But I am a big fan of not being stranded with zero food and zero savings. When life throws you off track, job loss, family complications, unexpected vet bills, an emergency fund is your way out of the metaphorical bush. You want just enough in there to cover about 3 months of expenses. Just in case life yells, "Hey, plot twist," and you gotta pause, reset, or help someone out. Keep it somewhere separate from your everyday cash stash. These only get opened during emergency situations. Hey, they're mine! And if you do use your emergency fund, no shame. Just top it back up when you can. That way, future you isn't caught halfway up a hill with no signal and one rotten banana. So that's where you're meant to head to not get lost.